Sila lalaki.
Natin ka ba ng mga oras mo ng exam?
Please maintain the forum in this room.
Ngayon ay magsasalo ka ng testimonya. Tungkol sa katawalang ginawa ng baklang yan. Mr. President, sambayanang Pilipino. Hindi po madaling humusga ng kapwa. Lalo na pag ang masasaktan ay ang kaklase ng bakla. Mahirap humusga sapagkat lahat tayo ay tao na. Ngunit ito po ay isang sagradong tungkulin na ating dapat gampanan. It is a sacred mandate. I must keep and I do it in all honesty and sincerity, without any significant exchange, without bending to any perceived pressure, but burnout of intense study, contemplation, and prayer. Mr. President, while we ponder on 3 articles of impeachment, the most robust documentary and testimonial evidence have centered on Article 2. In casting my vote, my chief concern is the credibility and trust of our people in the most important institution of our land, whose mandate is to interpret the law and render wise and fair judgment equally to all. Now, Mr. President, I think that the convicted should have considered the outcome of what he did. Therefore, it is clear that he intentionally did the crime of cutting classes and asked his classmates to take the case for him. Therefore, it is clear that this is reckless imprudence, resulting to homicide. In pre-active case, Green will tragically lift the floodgates for public suspicion and widespread distrust on the highest institutions of our judicial system, and also lower the bar of public accountability of our government officials. It was not easy. It is painful, but we must do it. I therefore vote for removal of Ace Napiakan. I vote to convict. I declare guilty. What? I would like to add to the prosecution that I said what in this trial. Mr. Corona is not guilty at all. Nakita mo naman, Miss Lauren Pulpo. Kailangan siya nilari ka. So, is that enough to prove that he is not guilty? He is guilty. I have a video. There's video. Mas guilty siya. Ano nilari mo? Not guilty siya. Para sa kanya. Eh, sino? Kita-kita eh. Ano? Basta kayo. Kami kahit na siya. Nagalit mo dyan. Sabihin mo lang tayo sa not guilty yan. Ay, kahit na. Okay, tapos kami kayo. Dito tayo. Ulitin ko ulit yung tanong. Nasaan ka ba ng mga oras na yun ang nag-exam sila? Nasaan?
Sa Ermita po.
Good.
Umawala po.
At bakit pareho kayong sulat ni Laika?
Pumayag po siya. Ay, ako po talaga may kasalanan. Inutusan ko siya na isulat yung quiz ko gamit ang sulat niya.
Nakakagilip kayo.
Malay ko bang hanapin ako ng teacher ko at padalan ako ng intimidate ng classmate na sinampal ako sa ulo.
Nakatarungan kasi.
At kapubag pa nito.
Bakit mo ginawa yun? Sino yung nag-joke sa'yo gawin mo? Sabihin niya. Yung aura, inuna niya po kasi yung aura niya, immoral.
Wala ko lang yung sa akin. Konsensya ko lang yun. At inamin ko namang mali ako. Pero masarap umawa.
may papangako mo na gagawin mo para makakawin sa ginawa mo?
Sa tingin ko, babawasan ko yung oras ko ng aura from 7 to 6. Baka 7 to 12 na lang, actually.
Alam mo, isa lang naman ang dapat mong gawin dyan.
Ano po?
Public apology.
I am sorry.
Laina, Miriam, Trinidad Dolores, Sir, at Gaidan, kung inaamin ko po na ako ay makasalanan. Sana po patawarin niyo. At hindi na po ako tanggalin sa PNF kasi ito lang pinagpisan ko eh. At hindi na po ako ka-aura. Ang sakit talaga yan.